children. How are you all children? Yes, that's good. I hope that you are all fine. Are you interested? Are you ready for today's class, children? Yes, come on. Now we are going to learn the concept plane shapes. Yes, that is from your mathematics syllabus in the lesson 6. Okay, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn the concept plane shapes. Okay, let's see today's topic. See here, today we are going to discuss about straight and curved lines. After that we are going to learn plane shapes. After that we are going to discuss some same shapes and sizes. Is it clear, children? Shall we see one by one? Come on. First see straight and curved lines one by one. That's some examples. Okay. What it is? S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T-L-I-N-E-S straight lines. Okay, we have already learned straight lines and curved lines in primary session. Now we are going to recall it with some examples. Okay, see here, let me tell one example. He is Harun. His name is Harun. He is Harun. This is hill. This Harun has to reach the top of this hill. See here, children. He wants to reach the top of this hill. Can you trace his path? See here. Can you trace this path? Can you see these dotted lines? Yes. See here. Now we traced it. Can you see the straight line? Red color straight line? Yes. The path we have traced is an example of straight line. Okay, children. The path we traced. See this red color line. This is an example of straight line. Okay. See here. See here. These are some lines. These 5 lines are example of straight line. Let me tell one more real life example, children. Okay. If we want to move from one place to another by walking, please make note the word walking. Okay. If we want to move from one place to another by walking means then our path is an example of straight line. Let me show. I am walking from one place to another place. Okay. If we trace my path is an example of straight line. If we are moving one place to another by walking means our path is an example of straight line. Okay. Let's move on to curved lines. Okay. Let me tell you an example. See here, this is a frog. This frog wants to reach its home in this pond. Okay. Is it walking or jumping? Can you tell? Yes, this frog is jumping. Can you trace its path, children? Can you see dotted lines? Can you trace it? Yes. See the traced red color lines. Is it straight or curved? Yes, the frog's path is curved line. Yes, the path which we traced is an example of curved line. Is it clear? Let me tell one more real life example. If we want to move one place to another by jumping, please make note the word jumping. Okay, instead of walking, if we want to move one place to another by jumping means it's an example of what? Curved line. Okay, stand up and jump. Okay, jump one place to another place. Okay, like this, if you jump, jumping means the path is example of curved line. Okay, children. Now see some more examples. These 4 lines are example of what? Curved lines. Let me show one real example for both straight and curved line. What it is, children? There are 2 images. See here, look at the picture. What it is? Road. Very good. Can you see in the first picture there are 2 yellow lines. These 2 lines are called dividing lines. Can you see whether is it curved or straight? Very good. These 2 lines are straight lines. Example of straight line. See here. See the road is bending. Can you see a car is moving in the second picture? Yes, the path of this car is an example of curved line because the road is bending. Okay, children. We can see straight line and curved line in our real life examples. Try to observe it. Okay. Please make note real life examples. Okay, children. I hope that now you are all clear with straight and curved lines. Shall we move on to some interesting activity? Are you ready? Do it with truck. These are books. This is a glass, plate, aeroplane, pencil. Now are you ready to match? Yes. Yes, the truck and aeroplane are related picture because they are vehicles. Which picture is related to books, Kana? Can you tell me which picture on right side related to books? Yes, that is pencil. What line we used to match these picture? We using curved line. Can you see? These are curved line. Go to the third picture. What it is? Glass. What picture is related to the glass? On right side, can you tell me? Yes, the plate and glass are related. What lines we have used? We have used curved lines to match the related picture. Are you clear? Shall we move to plane shape? Yes, now we are going to discuss plane shapes. Children, do you remember in previous classes we have already learned plane shapes. In early classes we have already learned plane shapes. What is what? In today's class we learn in detail. Okay. Plane shapes are some basic shapes. Yes, plane shapes are some basic shapes. Let's see one by one. What it is? It's a triangle. 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 What it is? Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. What it is, children? Do you remember this shape? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Very good. What it is, the fourth one? Can you tell me? Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. See the last one. What it is? Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. How many plane shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plane shapes. Triangle, circle, square, rectangle, oval. Let us learn these plane shapes in detail. Okay, come on. See here, what it is? Can you name this? This is triangle. Okay, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. How many sides? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Children, do you know what is called side and what is called corner? No problem. Let me tell. Okay. See here. This line is known as side. One side. Okay. This line is known as side. Let us count how many sides. Okay. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? Yes. A triangle has 3 sides. Corner. What is called corner, children? Do you know? Yes. Let me tell. See here. This point is known as corner. Yes. Corner is a point where 2 sides meet. See here. This side and this side meet at a point. This point is called as a corner. Corner. What is called corner? Corner is a point where 2 sides meet. Is it clear, children? How many corners? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. Yes, a triangle is made up of 3 straight lines. Have you noted this? Is triangle is made up of straight line or curved line, children? Tell me. Look at the picture and tell me. Yes, triangle is made up of only straight lines. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3 straight lines. Okay. See some more pictures. These are some types of triangles. Yes, children, there are many types of triangle. We will learn in the higher classes. Okay. Move on to the next plane shape. What it is, children? Yes, Q-U-A-R-E. Square. This is square shape. Okay. Yes, square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay. What is called side? This line. Yes. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. What is called corner, children? A point. Corner is a point where 2 sides meet. Okay, where 2 sides can't see any side and corner. A circle has no sides and no corners. Okay. Children, how it looks like? How the circle looks like? It looks like a round. Yes, circle is round in shape. It's round in shape. Children, have you know that a circle is made up of straight line or curved line? Look at the picture and tell me. Is it made up of straight line or curved line? Very good. You are correct. A circle is made up of curved line. How many? Only one curved line. Okay. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the next shape? Rectangle. What it is? Rectangle. See the image. What it is? This shape is known as rectangle. Let us learn about. Okay. A rectangle has how many sides and corners? 4 sides and 4 corners. What is called side? See here, this line. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. What is called corner, Kana? Can you tell me? Corner is a point where 2 sides meet. Is it clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 4 corners. Okay. Move to the next point. See here, the 2 opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Yes, children, in square, all the 4 sides are equal in length. But there is a difference in rectangle shape. In rectangle, only the 2 opposite sides are equal. Let's see. See here, this side is opposite to this. Okay. This side is opposite to this. This is opposite to this. Okay, children. These 2 opposite sides are equal. This and this are equal, and this and this are equal. Okay. One more point. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Yes, children. In a rectangle, we can see 2 long and 2 short sides. Yes, see here. This line is shorter than this. Can you see? These 2 are long. These 2 are short. Okay. Children, have you noted? Is it rectangle made up of straight or curved line? Yes, you are correct. It is made up of straight lines. How many? 4 straight lines. Are you clear? Shall we move to the next shape? What it is? OVAL, oval. Very nice. OVAL, oval. Let's learn about it. Okay. An oval has no sides and no corners. Yes, children, see here. No sides and no corners. Like circle, an oval is also has no sides and no corners. Okay. Is it made up of straight or curved line? Yes. An oval is made up of only one curved line. Is it clear, children? Yes. I hope that you are all got a clear idea about plane shapes. Okay. Shall we move on to some interesting activity? Come on. Let's see the activity. Now we are going to name the following plane shapes. Okay. Are you ready to see it? What it is, children? Can you name this plane shape? Very good. You are correct. This is circle. Can you spell the shape circle and fill in the missing letters? C-I-R-C-L-E circle. C-I-R-C-L-E circle. Move to the next one. What it is? Can you see this? Name this plane shape, Kana. Name this. Yes, square. You are correct. Very good. Can you spell square? Yes. Q-U-A-R-E. Very good. Yes. Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Move to the next one. What it is? Can you name this? Oval shape. You are correct. Can you spell oval shape? O-V-A-L. What it is? Oval. Move to the next one. What it is, children? Can you see this? Can you name this shape? What it is? Triangle. You are correct. Can you spell it triangle? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Very nice. One more is waiting for you. See it. What it is? Name this shape. Rectangle. Very good. Can you spell rectangle? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Very nice, children. Super. You are done in the activity very nicely. Keep it up. Do you want to one more activity? I have 4 sides and all my sides are equal. Do you understood this statement? I have 4 sides and all my sides are equal. What is my name? Can you guess and tell? Yes, you are correct. My name is Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Move on to the next one. I am round and round. I have no sides. Can you guess my name? Who am I? I am round and round. I have no sides. Very good. You are correct. I am circle. C-A-R-C-L-E. Circle. On to the third one. I have 3 sides. I have 3 sides. What is my name? Can you guess my name? Yes. Very good. You are correct. My name is Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Very nice, children. Super. The last one. I have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. What is my name? Can you guess? I have 2 long and 2 short sides. What is my name? Very good, children. You are correct. My name is Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. One more activity is waiting for you. That is an interesting. This will stimulate you. Yes, I hope that. Create any plane shapes by drawing just one line in the given shape. Okay, one line in the given shape. Write the names of the both shapes as. Okay, children. Can you see this given shape? Yes, you have to create 2 plane shape and you have to use only one line. Okay, by drawing only one line, you have to create a new plane shape. Where can we draw a line in this given picture? Where can we draw a line? Can you guess and tell me? Yes, you are correct. Here we can draw a line and we got 2 plane shapes. What are these? Can you name this plane shape above the line? Yes, the first plane shape is triangle. What is this shape? Can you name this? Rectangle. Very nice, children. Do you enjoy this activity? Yes, I hope that. Move on to the next topic. Same shapes and size. Same shapes and size. Okay, look at the following shapes. What it is? Can you name this? Triangle. What it is? Triangle. Are these same? Yes, these 2 same shapes are same shapes. Move on to the next one. What it is? Circle. What it is? Square. Are these same or different? These 2 shapes are different shapes. Very good. Move on to the next one. What it is? This is a rectangle. This is also rectangle. Are these same or different? Same shapes, but these are different in size. Okay, same shapes, but these are different in size. Shall we do one activity for this? Come on. First activity, you are going to trace and color the same shape. Okay, see on left side you have a shape. What it is? Square shape. On right side you have 3 options. From this you have to only trace and color the same shape. That is, you have to trace and color the square shape. Where is there any shape square? Is there square in anywhere? Yes. Where, Kana? Very good. The third is the square shape. Shall we trace? To trace the shape, you have to draw 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. In dotted lines, you have to draw 4 straight lines. Are you ready to color it? Yes. Like this, you have to color. Okay. The next one. Color the shape of the same size. Okay. Make note the word same size. On right side, you have a shape. What it is? Triangle. On left side. On right side, you have 3 options. These are all triangles, but these are all in different sizes. You have to color the triangle which is same size as the given shape. Are you ready? Which is same size as the given shape? Which Kana? Yes, the second one is same size as the given triangle. Shall we trace and color? To trace, you have to draw straight lines in the dotted lines. How many straight lines? 3 straight lines. Okay. Are you ready to color it? Come on. Like this, you have to finish the activity. Is it clear? Did you enjoy this? Yes. learned. Okay, what have we learned today? We learned about plane shapes. How many plane shapes we have learned? 5. Can you tell what it is? Triangle, rectangle, square, circle, oval. Let me tell the important points about plane shapes. Okay, the 4 points you have to keep in your mind. How many sides? How many corners? Whether it is made up of straight or curved line, how many? Okay, the one more thing is the sides of a shape, whether it is equal or not. Okay, see here, triangle has how many sides? 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, whether it is made up of straight line, how many? 3 straight lines. That's it. Rectangle and square are more or less same. The only difference, okay, one and only difference. See here, rectangle and square are has 4 sides, 4 corners. Both are made up of 4 straight line. Okay, these are the common points of square and rectangle. The difference is that all the sides of a square are equal. All 4 sides of a square are equal. But in rectangle, 2 opposite sides are equal. 2 opposite sides are equal. Okay, children. And one more thing, rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Is it clear? What the circle? Circle and oval both are has no sides and no corners, and both are made up of one curved line. That's it, children. Okay. Now it's time to follow activity. Yes, children. To enrich your knowledge, to stimulate your knowledge, you have to do the book activity. Okay, my practice time 1, 2,